This could be the car for you. The 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Choose the compact crossover that delivers an outstanding combination of quality, comfort, and safety. The Tucson. Remarkable for its smooth, refined ride, upscale European-inspired interior, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, this SUV sets the bar for excellence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power liftgate, electronic stability control, power driver's seat, alarm. Elevate the quality and comfort of your daily drive. Get into this outstanding Tucson. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.